Hello everyone. As you've seen, I got the water pump replaced, and I don't do this very often, but we're gonna give this a try, and we're gonna take a ride up to the car wash because, as you saw in my last video, I've got bugs all over this bike, dirt, dust, whatever, and we're actually going to take it for a test ride and go wash it off at the car wash with the high power wand. So let's do this. Awesome. Yeah, I don't know how well this is going to turn out, so bear with me. One thing I forget to do sometimes is latch my trunk. I've got a towel back there to cover the seat. There we go. Man, it sure got hot. Let's get some air flowing. But we're going to take a little ride first. We're going to take the long way. The other morning I mentioned about a house explosion. Oh boy. Yeah, thank you. Propane gas is what they're saying the cause of it was. Oh, this feels good to get back on the bike. Got to be real careful around the corners up here, traffic and stuff. So, and this should be the street right here. Yeah, things should have been calmed down by now, I would imagine. Unless it's supposed to be down there, I am not sure. Yeah, it's right up here. Oh, it's the house on the right up here. Alright, everybody. This is just terrible. That's just too bad. Look at that. No trespassing, everyone. I'm really surprised nobody's brought some flowers out there for them folks. Well, that was an elderly couple and a dog that perished, and that's just too bad. I think it's still under investigation. I'm not sure. I haven't seen any news updates or anything like that. That's terrible. It's one of my side roads that I like to, when I go to town, sometimes I'll come down here and ride this little side road. Looks like I'm getting a lot of wind noise. I'm not sure. I normally don't wear my full face helmet unless it's raining, and I have it with me, of course. Man, it really did heat up today. Good grief, it's warm. Don't feel too bad on the bike. Well, I haven't had any lights come on as far as water temp or anything like that, so didn't make it. So Labor Day is coming up this weekend, or this next weekend. Be a 3-day weekend for some of y'all. I might end up working Saturday, don't know. They might just shut the whole operation down for the weekend. It's hard telling. I got to make up for that week and a half of vacation and that big long trip. So what are you doing, dude? Nice turn signal.